Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on a technique I discovered with the relic whistle. It sounds like this. It's sort of like a reverse technique, I guess, and the way it works, you need basically three sounds for the core of it. The first sound is either the relic whistle or the relic K whistle. So the relic whistle is like, that's like the higher palate one, and then the K one is the, you can do either of those. I usually do it with the higher H one, but with the K one, you can use that, but you're just not going to put the K, so it's also going to be an H basically, but it's going to be further back in your mouth as opposed to being up in your palate. The second sound you need is a sucker punch. It's pretty simple. You can Google a tutorial for this. And then the last sound you need is the post-alveolar slope whistle, which sounds like this. If you don't know how to do these whistles, you can check out my theory of whistling tutorial. To actually do the reverse technique, it's really simple. You pick one of the relic whistles and you say he feep. So he feep. And then you do a sucker punch, and then you do the post-alveolar slope whistle, but you'd sort of say like sip. So, and that's basically the core of the technique. You can combine it with a bunch of other stuff like sort of collapses reverse, like inward high-pitched reverse vocalization thing, like you can add other sort of hollow sounding whistles like throat whistle. You can also add like this, it's similar to like decoys whistle. I think it's really similar to the tongue alveolar whistle. It's kind of in the front. Yuki Takeda, I believe, has a tutorial on this whistle. You can look him up, multilingual whistler. And this one sounds like, so altogether you might get something that sounds like, and if you're focusing on that part, to get it to be clean, there's two sort of tips that I would give. The first tip is practice your F, like the second tip I would give is when you cut the air off at the end, your lips should sort of smack together. So if you like this technique, I hope you'll take it and make it your own, add whatever stuff you want to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.